Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right front surface burner valve in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Now slide off the appropriate gasket and spark switch from the burner valve. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the valve. Next, use a short Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the clamping bracket, and you can remove the old burner valve. Install the new surface burner valve by aligning it on the manifold. Then position the clamping bracket and thread the screw to secure. Insert the gas supply tube and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Align the spark switch and snap it into place on the valve. Slide the gasket onto the valve stem. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems and push them into place. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Turn the gas supply back on and plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply. It's a good idea to make sure the flame height is properly adjusted after installing a new burner valve. You can do this on any of the valves by setting the burner to low, then remove the control knob and secure the burner valve stem with a pair of pliers. Using a 1/8-inch non-flared flathead screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw inside the stem clockwise to decrease the flame height, and counterclockwise to increase the height of the flame. With the flame properly adjusted, the gas range should be ready for use.